What's up, guys? Welcome to B-Lit Reviews. I got a box in my hand. I had to hit up one of my plugs across the US of A and get one of these, get something in here that I didn't get when they dropped, but I really wanted. So without further ado, let's get into it. Opening it up, we have a Jordan 1 box, but not just any Jordan 1 box. So let me show you what I got. So box reads, it's a 12. You notice it's not my size or anybody in my household size, but it's the only size I could find, and I had to get them. So Air Jordan 1 Retro, high OG, retail $160, Guava Ice / Sail. Okay, so let's peel this open, pull this old paperback out of the way, and you have some Guava and Ice Jordan 1s. I wish they had my wife's size, but they didn't. But let's go over the shoe. This shoe does come with 2 sets of laces, guys. You have the pink on the outer, the pink Guava going to the Sail mid and to the pink and Sail Guava upper. And the shoelaces are a like a ice colorway, and it's like a coral pink is what I would describe. A light coral pink. Anyway, so here you go. You got your Jordan wings up top. You got the Nike right here on the inside, rolling around on the toe box. It's not leather. It's that like squishy material. Not squishy, but that weird material. But anyway, so you got the leather on this area. The swoosh is a tumble leather actually, and tumble in the back, and it gets to a harder leather right here. So this is the best leather, and the swoosh is the best leather. But if you look at the outside isn't as good as the inside, in my opinion. So you got Nike Air on the tongue. These are still dead stock. They're going to remain dead stock. Like I said, these are a 12. And they say Nike on the outside, rotating around, embedded wings like I like. You got the squishy ankle support up top. And it says swoosh, and it says stuff like, Nike, and I guess it's talking about the Jordan brand and quality and stuff like that, things that they're built on. So there's a full 360 of this Guava and Ice Sail, pink Guava and Sail shoe. And like I said, the leather is right here and here, not here, not here. So everywhere but here and here is what it looks like in here, this little small area right here. But I haven't seen any reviews on these. I'm sure they're out there, but I haven't seen any. Now, these are going to go on the walls like, just something cool, something different, mix up a little flavor. So there you go. You got these. You got Jordan 1. You got the Jordan 1 Retro OGs. And guys, like I said, if you're new here, you like what you see, hit the subscribe button. I bring videos almost every other day, sometimes every day of the week. So you will always see something new. And it's not always hype over here. We got GRs and hype and everything in between. So till next time, stay woke, stay lit. Let's get it.